It is time to create something special for all the African teenagers out here seeking to earn extra cash without spending countless hours. I have compiled some legitimate ways to help you fill your pockets without any gimmicks. Just genuine opportunities to earn money, provided you put in the effort. If you are new here, welcome to this channel. This is Make Money Online today, and I make content on how you can make money online as an African and worldwide. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up. The first thing I will suggest you to do is create digital products. If you see a lot of people talking about how they make a lot of money online without any effort, most of the time they're selling something, and most of the time they're selling digital products. So you can start selling some digital products too. You don't need to have any sort of qualification to sell anything, especially online. All you have to do is think of a product that you want to sell. As a teenager, maybe you want to sell an ebook about teenagers, or you have some notes that you want to sell online. You can even create a planner that you can sell as a digital product. You can sell an art wall as a digital product, and you can sell many other things. It is very easy compared to selling actual products that need to be shipped and need to be taken care of. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is promote it amongst your friends, your neighborhood, and eventually online. The second way on how you can make money online is selling study materials. This is very similar to selling an ebook, but now we are narrowing down to study materials. If you know a place where you can find past papers or just notes in general, then you can sell it on a website called Study Pool. On their website, it says you can earn up to $5,000 a month. You will also get up to $10 every time a student views one of your documents. So if you have some study materials, some notes, some old notes especially, upload it here, then advertise it on social media like TikTok or Instagram or even Facebook. And whenever someone views them or buys them, you will make money from your hard work. And then you can also sell those same materials to anyone around you. If you are in grade 11 and maybe a student from grade 10 needs some old notes, you can use that opportunity to make money and sell your notes. The next way on how you can make money online as an African teenager is by learning graphic design. This is a niche that has been popping in the African industries in almost all the countries, and these spaces have yet to be oversaturated. So as a teenager, I will advise you to take up that skill. This will benefit you a lot. You will instantly start making money online, but also have a new cool skill to show off to your friends. How you are going to get started is by learning the basics. You can use YouTube as your learning space. There are so many YouTube tutorials on how you can become a graphic designer as a total beginner. Those tutorials are what you need, especially when the market is not oversaturated. So after you learn the basics of graphic design, you're going to build your portfolio. What that means is creating sample of works to showcase your skills. You're going to take on projects so that it can help others know exactly what you can do. To get clients, you need to sign up for platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru.com. And to the people around you, offer freebies to gain initial clients. The last way you can make money online as a teenager is Fiverr gigs. Fiverr is a marketplace for freelance services ranging from graphic design that we talked about to writing, transcribing, and more. Fiverr has diverse opportunities offering a wide range of services. You will also have global markets, which means access to clients worldwide, and you can use it to gain experience and build a professional portfolio. The tip that I will give you is to check out your competitors. Get to know what they offer and how much they charge. After that, you are going to charge your services way lesser than them. That way you can attract clients and gain the experience that you need. Later on, when you have a better portfolio and more reviews and more clients, you can increase your charges. But for now, as a teenager and as a total beginner, lowball yourself. Charge way lesser than others. And that's it. Those are the legit ways you can make money online as an African teenager or as a teenager worldwide. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share it with your family and friends.